how to fix lags in RPCS3. So let's do it. Go to config firstly. Come to CPU. You can set the PPU decoder to recompiler LLVM and the same option for SPU decoder, that is recompiler. Come to preferred SPU threads and set it to 2 and set the SPU block size to safe and enable this SPU loop detection inside the additional settings. That's it for the CPU. Go to GPU. Now for the renderer, you can choose Vulkan or OpenGL one at a time and check which one works best for you. I'm keeping it to Vulkan, that is default. Choose the graphics device as the one that is pre-installed. Come to shader mode and select the third option, async with shader interpreter. Now there's one option missing on this newest build, that is shader compiler threads. It will be found inside the emulator settings. We can come back. Now go to audio and set the audio buffer duration to 150 ms. For I/O, that is input, output, system and network. Keep everything as it is. We're gonna come back to advanced tab later. Go to emulator firstly. Inside the emulator, scroll down here. Come to maximum LLVM compile threads and set it to 3 and set the maximum shader compile threads to 2. Scroll up. Now go to advanced tab that I left earlier. Scroll down, there's only one setting. This one, maximum number of SPO/RS threads. Now this setting might cause lags in few games, but for most of the games it will dramatically improve the speed performance in RPCS3. So let's do it. First you're gonna set it to 3 originally. And if the game still lags, you're gonna increase it by 1 at a time. That is, set it to 4. If the game still lags, then set it to 5. And if it still lags, go to unlimited. But for the first time, you're gonna set it to 3 and check your game. These all are the settings. There's no best settings for GUI. Check everything once and apply and then save. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel.